I would like to talk about how to use oscilloscope. First, we need to open the power supply, and then we need to adjust the green lamp in the middle. We need to use the vertical and the horizontal. Okay. And then we need to adjust the intensity dan focus.
Oscilloscope probe, and then we need to from the retina, and then this one we clip to the calibrate for spin. Then this one is function generator and the oscilloscope probe. We connect to
we change the word div to 1 volt div because we are using 2 volt and we just need to adjust it so the waveform stay in the middle. We need to adjust it at 1 kilo and turn the knob to 1.